This is a very quick video just to demonstrate how my chops move when I play the arpeggiated pattern in the Hummel Concerto. You will actually observe that they don't move very much at all, and some people mistakenly try to teach that like it's a concept. Oh, don't move your lips. That's nonsense. There's a lot of information about this sort of thing on my websites. Check out tonguecontrolled.info or trumpetpla.net. Read my blog posts, read my articles there. But basically, when the lips move in the right direction, they hardly seem to move at all, and that's correct. Most people tend to move their chops in the wrong direction and far too much. Here we go. So let's get close. Let's do it like this. Okay, and here is that nice little trill at the end that I did in my last video